What up, guys? I'm gonna do a bike check on my 2013 United kl40. Let's get started. Up top, I got the coat deck grips in blue. They're really nice grips. They're smooth. They don't wear out too much. The only thing about them is the bar ends. They suck ass. My bars are 9.25 federal drop bars with 30 width. They're really great bars. I would recommend them to anybody who's looking for some top bars. And they're pretty light too, so. My stem, I got a Shadow Conspiracy Strike stem and polished. It's a really nice stem. For my headset, I got an FSA racing headset. And my frame, like I said, is a 2013 United kl40. You can see right there. My forks are, I believe, 2012 Haro tapered forks. And they're really good forks. They've held up pretty much. And I've snapped some pairs of forks already, and these are pretty good. Because I ride street and park, and I ride kind of hard, so these are some pretty nice forks. For my front tire, I got a dual stunner LO 2.25. It's just dirty. You can see right here. Dual brand. It has like a slick pattern. It's a pretty nice tire. For my front rim, I got a Alienation Deviant in black, laced to a Primo N4. It's sealed with Primo spokes. It's a really good hub. I would recommend to anybody because this hub rolls really smooth, and it's the older version. So I'm pretty sure it's discontinued already. And for my gearing, I got a 25 tooth thick key sprocket with a gold KMC chain. I got profile racing cranks and chrome. You can see right there. See profile racing. My pedal on this side, I got a Odyssey Twisted PC, and on the other side I got a DK, which I'm trying to switch out. I'm gonna take it to the bike shop because it's really hard to take off, and I don't want to strip the threads and the cranks. So that's that. And for my bottom bracket, I got a sealed Mechanic in mid 19mm. My back hub is a Shadow Raptor cassette with a Odyssey Quadrant and Primo spokes. I got a Stolen Joint 2.3 tire in the back. These are pretty good tire. I thought they were gonna be better, but they're still alright. For my seat, I got a fit bar stool seat, pivotal with a premium seat post, and what's it called? I believe that's it. So that's my bike, and I'll do a hub summary now. So there's the hub sound, and that's my bike. Please rate, like, and subscribe. Thanks.